Modern software development is very complex, not because of the coding itself, but because of the huge amount of different tools that you need to know. It includes many different programming languages, frameworks, libraries, processes, platforms, and so on. And it's completely normal to get lost, especially if you're a beginner. So where do you start? Well, just learn everything, but with one sentence. Let me explain. At the beginning of your career, you need to become a shallow generalist. You need to at least know the names of many different tools, be able to categorize them and explain them in a single sentence. Not only you will gain some initial knowledge, but it will put all the pieces of the puzzle on your table. Once you have this shallow but general knowledge, it becomes very easy to build the path towards any specific domain. Just think of what you want to specialize in, then write down all the tools related to it. Now try to describe a hierarchy and voila, you have a very useful mind map. Obviously, it's gonna be far from perfect, but at least you now have a narrow focus. And when you start your specialization, you can use the same strategy for each part of it. First, get yourself familiar with the given tool on a very shallow but broad level. Second, learn and practice whatever parts you need from it and specialize in them. In my opinion, to build a solid foundation, you need to specialize in a field for at least a few years until you're a very good mid-level programmer. Don't get me wrong, this does not mean to have a tunnel vision and not be curious in anything else. It's just a way of efficiently building a good skill set. And it's important to walk that path at least once, without many shortcuts and distractions. It may sound and feel like a hard thing to do, and it is, but it will give you the means and the solid experience to start generalizing your skill set and become a well-rounded senior programmer whose knowledge is broad but useful rather than shallow. And if you get to that point, it may be tempting to abandon your specialization and do everything at the same time, which may work for a while, but paradoxically it could make you less competitive in the long run. You simply cannot keep up with everything. And so it becomes a never-ending cycle of generalization and specialization.